everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel, and please excuse my bare face. I literally have nothing on my face, not even eyebrows, which I usually do whenever I'm bare skin. I just have lip balm on, that's it. Anyways, so in this video I am going to unbox December's Euphorbia box. So let's just quickly open this box and see कि इस बार मुझे क्या क्या आया है Euphorbia box में. Ooh, looks really pretty. अभी मैंने पूरा खोला भी नहीं है, and I can already see the pouch. Right, so this is what I got. Yeah, the box is empty. Let's just open this as well. So first of all, I have a mask, and this is by AM Greens 100% natural clay face mask. It has kaolin, saffron, and it is like an instant facial formula. It says that it makes skin lighter and radiant. I actually used a mask by the same brand, which was a hair mask, and it was like really good. I just finished using it. So I used the mask of the same brand on my hair, and I just just right before this video I took a bath and I used that mask, and I'm really loving the result, and I have used it like couple of times, and every time मुझे इसका result अच्छा ही मिला है. So I'm having a really high hopes with this brand because इसका जो hair mask gets really good. So I'm just hoping that it is also very good. It's like a face mask. So yeah, अब चलते हैं pouch. It's a very pretty red pouch with lots of glitters on it, और बहुत ही प्यारा pouch. I really love the pouch this time, and this is very giving me like a Christmas vibe. I think it's appropriate for the Christmas month. Now let's just check out what I have. Alright, the very first thing I can see is this cute little Christmas ornament which you can put on your tree. इस बार I really have मेरा बहुत मन है that I should bring a Christmas tree to this house, but I'm not sure whether we'll be bringing Christmas tree or not. But anyways, this is like a really nice Christmas ornament. So I just took out the info card here. So all the products are written here, which are included in this times bag, and also their prices. So the very first thing I can see is a pair of earrings, and this is a circular drop earrings. I already have the same earring. I got it last month from Anna box, and I completely love these earrings. These are beautiful. Look how pretty they are, and they are given this time in the Euphorbia box. So बहुत लोगों को ये वाले earrings पसंद आए थे. So now you can have it like in a very affordable subscription box. So these are really pretty, and they have also mentioned the price of these earrings, because in Honor box they don't mention the price, but here they say that these earring retails for $3.99. Well, I don't think so. They are for $3.99. They're definitely cheaper. Alright, now let's check out other things. The next thing is this, and this is nicely bubble wrapped, and I have 3 of the jumbo lip pencils here. I just have like 2 of the things, this and the earrings. So in this I have 3 jumbo lipsticks. So let's just open and see. Alrighty, so all the 3 jumbo pencils, these are basically okay. So these are by 7Cs, and they are crazy matte pen lipstick, and it is called Marrow Lips. Yeah, I have 3 shades. So the shades I have are 612, then I have 613, and then I have 629. I think it will be a better thing to show you guys on my lips like how they look. So I'll be doing a quick lip swatch for you guys. So first I'm just gonna swatch 612, and these are retractable, which is nice. You don't have to like sharpen it. So this is how the shade is looking on me. It is on a pinkier side. Yes, so they are kind of like a sheer lipstick. You really have to like apply it a lot if you really want like an opaque finish on your lips, but they are very creamy. Definitely they are transferable. I won't say that they are like crazily matte, which is the name basically, but it's not crazily matte. It's like a comfortable matte, but it's more of a cream finish, I would say, and like a satin matte. Satin matte is a better word. And this is how the lipstick looks like, and the light is reflecting back a lot when I am zooming in, but otherwise this is the actual color. Yeah. So the next shade I am swatching is a 613. So this is number 613. And it's a beautiful, beautiful nude color, and I think it's more matte than the 612. 612 had like a little sheen in it, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा matte है, and I think this can be like my favorite out of 3 because it's a beautiful, beautiful nude color, and this is like an everyday color for Indian skin tone. Definitely going directly into my purse because I'll be using it a lot because I really like the color. Now let's just check out the last color, which is this one. This one is looking more of like a maroon color. Oh my, a beautiful color again. It's a very, very rich red color. Love it. It's a very, very appropriate for the season, and I really, really love it as well. So it is also a little matte, but when I zoom, light reflects back a lot and it looks kind of shiny, but it is matte. So out of all 3, I think my favorite is the nude one, first favorite. Then second favorite is this one, which I'm wearing right now. And the least favorite is this pink one because I think it has a little more sheen than compared to this one, and the nude one is like completely matte. So that's my favorite one. मेरा हो गया है pouch खाली, and yeah, it's empty now. So let's see what I had. Okay, let me just tell you the prices of the lipstick. Each of the lipstick retails for 299 rupees. That means almost 300. So 900 की तो lipsticks ही हैं. And then जो clay mask है, which is this one, it retails for about 599. That is 600. And oops, so 900 plus 600, 1500. And then lastly I also have the earrings, which retails for 399 according to them. That means 15 and 4, 1900. That's a lot. And you're getting this cute little pouch as well. Euphorbia Box is the most affordable subscription box service in India. So you're getting quite a lot in such an affordable price. So all the details about the Euphorbia Box will be in the description box, so you can check out. और अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो subscribe कीजिए. I think I am very, very satisfied with this time's Euphorbia Box, especially अगर आप lipstick lover हैं. You should go for this box because you are getting 3 different shades, 3 beautiful shades in a very, very affordable price. Plus you're getting a face mask for that radiant look, and also a very, very good pair of earrings. I think I will be giving this away because I already have this similar one, and मुझे giveaway वैसे भी करना है because you know, I crossed 100k and I'm planning a giveaway from such a long time now, but I'm not getting time to collect all the things for the giveaway and to shoot a video like of it. So I'll be doing that soon, promise. So yeah, just stay tuned, have a little patience. But I really loved this time the Euphorbia Box. So yeah, so that was all about the video. और अगर आप मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो मैं हूँ काव्या, मैं ब्यूटी रिलेटेड, मेकअप रिलेटेड वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, and please do subscribe, help me grow. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay beautiful, stay healthy.